Good morning. In this video, I am explaining major landforms, a social studies lesson for class 5. Let us begin the lesson with Earth's surface. The Earth's surface is made up of land and water. 29% of Earth's surface is covered by land, while water covers 71%. The surface of Earth is not uniform. Some parts are flat, while some are raised. Relief. The variation in the physical features of Earth is called relief. Mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and deserts are the main relief features of Earth. Mountain. A landform which prominently rises from the surrounding land is called a mountain, and it is featured with peaks and steep slopes. A mountain rises to a height of more than 900 meters above mean sea level. Mountains cover about 25% of the total land area of Earth. Mountains differ in height and shape, and the difference in height and shape is due to the age of the mountain. Some mountains have rounded peaks while some have conical peaks. Himalayas are young mountains with conical peaks, while Aravalis are old, are lesser in height and have rounded peaks. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Several mountains join to form a chain of mountains called the mountain range. For example, Andes in South America and Rockies in North America. Some mountains have series of parallel ranges which extend for hundreds of kilometers. Example, Himalaya mountains consist of 3 parallel ranges, namely Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Importance of mountains. Mountains have a thin layer of soil, so agriculture cannot be practiced here. The mountains are thinly populated due to unsuitable climate, shortage of flat land and difficulty in transportation. Mountains act as a barrier against cold and hot winds. Rivers originate from mountains and provide water for irrigation in plains. Mountain slopes are rich in forest resources and green pastures. Some mountains are rich in mineral resources. The cool climate in mountains in summer attracts many tourists. Plateau. A plateau is a high land with a flat top, and it is also called a tableland. A plateau rises abruptly from its surrounding area. Its sides have steep slopes. Many rivers and streams flow through the plateaus. Rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow through the Deccan Plateau in India. Some plateaus are very large and extend over hundreds of kilometers. The Plateau of Tibet is the world's highest and the largest plateau. Most plateaus are in the dry regions and in the leeward side of mountains. The plateaus are at a higher altitude, so they experience cold climate. The growing season on a plateau is short. The surface of many plateaus has deep canyons. For example, the Grand Canyon in the Colorado Plateau in the USA. Importance of plateaus. The grasslands in the plateaus are used for rearing cattle. Some old plateaus are rich in mineral resources. Mining is an important occupation in plateaus. Plains. A flat and low-lying land is called a plain. These are also called the lowlands. Most of the plains in the world are formed by rivers. For example, the northern plains of India. Rivers carry sand and silt with them. These get deposited in the banks either during floods or when the river slows down, forming a plain. Plains are formed in and near the sea coasts and river banks. Plains are thickly populated and are very useful to humans. They provide fertile soil which is suitable for agriculture. They also provide enough surface and groundwater. Many ancient civilizations have started on the river banks, which are called the river valley civilizations. For example, Indus Valley civilization was developed in the banks of river Indus. Many major cities and towns are located in plains. It is easy to construct roads, railways, airports and canals in the plains. There are many industries and factories set up in the plains.